In this video, we will show you how to use the Axon Test tool to simulate a DNP3 connection between an RTU, outstation, and a SCADA system, master station. We will start creating a new project and assign it an identification name. We should create a server DNP3 on the Project Explorer and we will assign a name. In the Properties tool, you can configure the communication parameters. In this case, we will select a DNP3 TCP connection, the DNP3 link connection, link address and master address. In the Project Explorer, you'll find the connection tools. Here, you can configure the parameters for TCP connections, such as the IP address and TCP port, or adjust the various parameters for a serial connection. When you have the communication parameters ready, the next step is to create the signals you want to test. For this, you can use an Excel spreadsheet with the dataset and copy-paste the values into Axon Test. Axon Test is a powerful tool that allows you to simulate values in your data signals. You can simulate all the signals or just one at a time. Additionally, you can select the time for changing values and the limits within which the signal will change. If you want to simulate signals with the same parameters, you can click on the corner of the signal list to select all the signals. And then you can select the parameters for this group of signals in the Properties section. Axon Test supports various object types defined in DNP3, including binary and analog inputs, binary and analog commands, counters, frozen counters, and double-bit binary inputs. Now, we have set up the parameters required to simulate the signals and sending it to the SCADA system. In this moment, you can run the DNP3 server. If the setting up was right, the blue icon should appear beside your DNP3 device in the Project Explorer, and you can watch the simulated signals in the Viewer tool. While you have Axon Test running the DNP3 outstation device, you should check the connection with your SCADA system. In this video, we're using Axon Builder 3, and we'll be using the Communication Dashboard and Signal Panel tools to have a look at the DNP3 connection and signals. Axon Builder 3 lets you test command data signal types. In this scenario, we'll select a control type signal and send a different value. Using the Axon Test Viewer and Axon Builder 3 Signal Panel, we can confirm that both the server and the SCADA system successfully receive these signals. Similarly, we can adjust data values in the server DNP3 and observe the outcomes in the SCADA system. As a final example, we've chosen a binary signal and modified its value.
We hope you found this video informative and valuable. For more resources, articles, and information, visit our website or send us an email.